Hello, welcome to my channel, On Track with Illy, and today I am at Manchester Piccadilly on the West Coast Main Line. Coming in here is the 1307 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Line Street. One 185-118 and 185-133. And as you just saw was class 220, I don't know what number it is, but it left on the 1303 to Bristol Temple Meads. So today at Manchester Piccadilly, you've got this being seen services by Avanti West Coast, Northern, Transpennine Express, Cross Country, East Midlands, Transport for Wales, and you're going to be seeing two flights during this video. Here's 39134. We're going to be working the 1315 to London Euston. So, without further ado, let's see what's certain up. Okay, the pattern now is going to be ex-West Midlands Trains.
Warrington Central and Liverpool South Parkway can still board this service, but please change at Manchester Oxford Road.
323-219, working the 1303 Northern service to Hadfield. Jolly good. Okay, the pattern now is going to be 323-242, working the 1306 Northern service to Crewe.
1258 Transpennine Express service to Redcar Central. Sorry that this service was cancelled due to operation. Passengers are advised that the next service now will be 1358 Transpennine Express service to Redcar Central, which will depart from platform 14.
And there's an ex-West Midlands train.
1258
even there.
Transpennine Express service to Redcar Central has unfortunately cancelled the next service. Apologise for the somewhat
Okay, as the 185 or 180 and 133 is now leaving, we're to the 1307 Transpennine to Liverpool. We've got a Northern coming in. So Northern class 195. It's going on a far platform. Maybe I'll be able to get numbers. Let's see. It's 195022.
At platform 14 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs, and your belongings.
Okay, Pastor, but now it's going to be a DRS class 88 going from Daventry to Trafford Park, and we're going to have a 197 as well. Ooh, which one I'm going to record now? This or the 88? Okay, this is 197 118. $88,004. Pandora. On the rest, 197,007.
Express service to Cleethorpes is delayed. This train is currently between Urmston and Deansgate. The 1304 Northern service.
It looks like this one's
The
gonna stop.
12:51 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport is delayed. This is due to an operational
Brakes
incident.
are on.
This train is currently at Manchester.
Okay, right now it's going to be a terminating Avanti West Coast service from London Euston.
Platform 13 of the 12:51 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. Calling at Manchester Airport only. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Platform 13 of the 12:51 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport.
390044. This one is Royal Scot. And also now arriving is the 12:51 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport.
Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. Calling at Manchester Airport only. Please remain behind the red line and allow all passengers to alight the train before boarding.
This one is 185 117. No, 185 144. We've got another train under there. 88004 had just stopped, so I don't know when it's going to be leaving again. Okay, now departing the 13:15 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston, 390134. City of Carlisle on this one.
Please stand back, behind the red line. This train will soon be departing.
Oh, this one is leaving, 88004.
This train is currently between Manchester Oxford Road and Manchester Piccadilly.
The train now coming to platform 13 is 1304 northern service to Manchester Airport. Calling at Manchester Airport only. Please remain behind the red line and allow all passengers to alight the train before boarding.
We got 156 coming in, 156 416. And this one is 88004, working 4B43 to Trafford Park from Daventry. And over here is 51021, leading the way the 1304, northern service from Liverpool Line Street to Manchester Airport. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1304 northern service to Manchester Airport, 51021 on the front. And on the way is 51017. And now departing the 1320 Northern Service to Hazel Grove. So the through carriage 150. Which is 150, 150, 143.
Next train to arrival, Captain 14.
I really love that noise it did. 150, 143.
And Manchester Airport. Please remain behind the red line and allow all passengers to light the train before boarding.
And now arriving is the 1300 Northern Service to Manchester Airport. Throughout this video, there's going to be many delays for the airport service coming in. The flight now has gone now. The Daventry to Trafford has finally moved. This one is 195 114. No, 195 116. Oh, and also now arriving is a terminating Avanti West Coast service coming in from London Euston. And also now arriving as well as the 1321 Transpennine Express service to Edinburgh. Or no, it's to Glasgow Central. So the Pendolino is 390 107. I gotta record the Avanti. That's 397 011. That one. That's going to Glasgow Central. Oh, this is gonna go now. There hasn't been an Avanti that I recorded today, because most of the Avanti I recorded got covered by this Manchester Airport service. Okay, so I'm leaving 195 116. Oh, and here's 152.10. My favorite 150, 152.10. Brand Northern for covering 152.10. 156.414. Working the 13. I don't know where that's going actually. That's going to Chester. That might be going to Chester. The 1310 service. And that's 390 107. Arriving very nice over there. And as you can see, 390.044 Royal Scott had just missed his Avanti West Coast sign on the front.
Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes. Stockport, Sheffield, Meadowhall, Doncaster, Scunthorpe,
Yeah, that's Lake Cleethorpes.
Grimsby Town, and
Cleethorpes. It's the late Cleethorpes one. It's the 1313 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes. There'll be a 185 on the front. 185.
Of the 30 Transpennine Express service to
Because a singular 185 this time.
Form 13. Please remain behind the red line. The train now arriving is your delayed 1313 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes via Sheffield and Doncaster. Please allow this service to come to a stop and allow passengers to stay. You can walk through the train.
Okay, there goes 22124 with the 1325 cross country service to Bournemouth. Wow, that door slammed. Still people boarding. So there goes the 1325 cross country service to Bournemouth, 22124. And this one is the late running 1313 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport, 185-105, which I haven't told you the number. Ooh, let's leave it now. Did I say Manchester? I meant Cleethorpes. Sorry guys. All the trains are delayed. I'm getting confused of where they're going. We've got another 156. And there is 156401 ex-East Midlands Trains coming in from, I think it's coming from Buxton or Chester. But that one is an ex-East Midlands Trains, 156401. Okay, right now it's going to be the 1321 Northern service to Manchester Airport. This one is going to the airport, and this is a pair of Northern Class 51s.
The train at platform 13 is 1318 Northern Service to Manchester Airport, going at Hugh Green at Manchester Airport. Please remain behind the red line. Allow all passengers to quiet the train before boarding.
So leading the way is 331031. We've got Northern Class 323 coming in. 323237. Oops, sorry guys, I don't know what's going on with my camera over there. Oh, and we got a cross country coming in. I will record it for you, but this Northern I know it's going to cover it. And there's a 323 also coming in too. Rough time, don't worry guys, people are still coming out. 323223 is for the 323, and the cross country is 220 003, and on the way is 221 121 033 and 121. The front of the cross country has weird numbers. I did see the 121 part though. I didn't see the front one. The front one is a bit confusing. I think it's 033 on the front. Anyways, now the part is going to be the 1321 Northern service to Manchester Airport.
Between Saturday the 2nd and Friday the
51013, and now departing the 1330 Transport for Wales service to Pembroke Dock. And there's 323226. 197007 on the front. And 197118 on the rear. And on the rear, and that one is 323230. Oh my god, guys, too much trains are coming at the same time now. Okay, and we're going to Northern Class 195. Let's see, what numbers are you? You're 195, 127. No, not 127, 132. Where did I get the 127 from? I have no clue. Lovely job. The 323-237, I just put his lights back on. Okay, now arrival is going to be 158774, working the 1337 East Midlands Train service to Liverpool Line Street. Which is two Anne. Underwear is 158812.
Train now arriving onto platform 13, your 1328, slightly delayed Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport, calling at Manchester Airport only. Please allow passengers to step off safely before you move forward to board.
Over here is 397002, working the 1328 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. Slightly delayed, so I'll try my best, guys, to record the Avanti when it leaves. Yeah. Okay, as you're gonna see behind the Transpennine, if I'm able to record, it's gonna be the 1335 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston.
Pushchairs. Please use the lift situated behind the stairs and escalator. Passengers on platform 13, please remain behind the red line at all times. This is for your safety.
It's a 1335 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston by Royal Scot 390 044. And I get it registered by now, it's going to be 39702, working the 1328 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. Three 39702. Did they go anyway? And now departing the 158774 and 158812, working the 1337 East Midlands Train service to Liverpool Line Street. Okay, passenger, but now it's going to be a DB Cargo UK Class 66, working a service on Trafford Park Euro Terminal to London Gateway, DB Cargo. Ooh, I can hear it firing up already. And I departed the 1338 Northern service to Over the Edge. Oh, here's 33239. I haven't seen this unit for ages. And the Northern's 51105. 33239, you're gonna make space for me to record 105. Here you are, 511. Okay. This one is gonna be 66051. It's gonna be. Yes, record this one. Well, that one passed very fast. A nice home from the driver. It did blow the horn before it passed. That was 66051, working from Trafford Park Euro Terminal to London Gateway DB Cargo. Haven't seen that flight for ages in my video. And over there, what I was about to record was 197121, working the 1344 Transport for World service to London. I was about to record it, but the flight came very quickly, so I decided to record the flight. And as I continue, I'm going to end it there. Thank you all for watching. Like it, subscribe. See you later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.